Hi, this is CJ, property manager. Once a paint job is completed on a house, we want it to last a long time. And sometimes the quality isn't what was promised. But our painters, our team, we make sure that the quality is good so that the paint job lasts for years and years. Now we're going to take a look at some of the paint problems that happened with this property, and we're going to hear from Justin of Color World. Here we go.
Hi, I'm Justin with Color World, and here we're just looking at this recently painted window frame. So what we can see that's happening already is that we are already getting some peeling up of paint. And to me, that's showing me that since we can see this bare wood, it shows me that this bare piece of wood was not primed prior to adding that top coat. And that's the reason why we're dealing with this peeling now.
What about the inside? You can see the inside. What is it called? A sash? What?
Okay, inner.
But it's the window frame here, and you can see nothing was done with it.
Yeah, that is highly concerning because we can see a lot of peeling paint in this area, and that is the biggest concern when it comes to protecting your home, is that we just want all of these surfaces fully coated and caulked to prevent any moisture getting to the wood or